to fix the Spotify black screen issue on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get Spotify displaying properly again in just a few steps. First, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for Spotify and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Force Stop. Tap Force Stop again to confirm. After that, tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache. Once done, reopen Spotify and check if the black screen issue is fixed. From here, if the black screen is still there, let me show you the next fix. Tap on Storage again. This time, tap on Clear Data to do a full reset of the app. Then reopen Spotify, log back in, and check if the issue is resolved. From here, if Spotify is still showing a black screen, open the Play Store. Search for Spotify at the top. Tap on Update if one is available, and wait for it to finish. Once updated, reopen Spotify and check again. At this stage, if the black screen is still showing up, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that makes a difference. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears, and tap Restart. Once your device is back on, open Spotify and the black screen should be gone. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the Spotify black screen issue, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.